So we have another CUET topper with us, and she's again, I mean, expected. I knew that you were gonna top. We have Harshita with us. पूरी तरह से मुझे पता था she's going to do well in her examination, and I am not happy for that stupid silly mistake that you have made. If not for that, she would have scored a full 800 on 800.
Yes.
But what do you think, Harshita, is the crux of CUET?
I think obviously it is NCRTs, but apart from that, I think practice makes a lot of difference, because the way we study for boards throughout the year is totally different from how we attempt questions in the paper. It is not a 3-hour paper. You don't have time, especially with practical subjects like accounts, maths. The more you practice, the more you will understand. And I think my school teachers were the greatest help, because the same teachers taught me in school and also in NPRO. So that was a very big help, because we did not have to adjust to different teaching patterns. And yeah, for me, mathematics and English, of course, were the main subjects.
तुम्हारा जो ये डायलेमा था ना, इको ऑनर्स वर्सेस बीकॉम
Yes,
ऑनर्स एंड मैथ्स पे फोकस करना है कि अकाउंट्स पे फोकस करना है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द राइट सजेशन?
I think if someone is focusing on economics honors, obviously you are eligible for BCom honors as it is. And for me, I think the priority was the college over the course. So I still don't know if I'll get into economics honors, but I know that I will get into SRCC. That is all because of NPRO.
थैंक यू सो मच. मतलब आई रिमेम्बर मैंने कितना मतलब ठोक बजा के बोला, देख सोच ले, मतलब बी वेरी केयरफुल एंड
And I left GT. I did not study one thing of GT. And I also knew that from the start, it is not important for me. I think that confusion and the time I would have wasted if I studied GT, I used that for maths, and in the hardest paper of my life, I still managed to get somewhere of a respectable score of 176. So yeah, that's a big advice, to know what to leave, because not everything comes in the paper. You need to know what comes. And that was what I was helped with.
हाँ, इनफैक्ट सो द बिगेस्ट थिंग वाज कि यार ये वाला क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करो, और ये ना अटेम्प्ट करना वाला जो चॉइस है वो सबसे
Totally,
इम्पोर्टेंट है.
totally.
बट कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स के लिए व्हाट इज योर क्लासिक एडवाइस?
Commerce students के लिए my advice is, do not rely just on your reference books from school, especially for maths and accounts, because I think NCRT maths is key. And for accountancy, the theory that we tend to skip for boards, teachers say कि practical से ज़्यादा आता है, which is true, of course. But when we look at a competitive exam and we understand that boards is not going to get you a college, I think that makes a lot of difference. So NCRT theory for accountancy, very, very, very important. I
नहीं,
think
एक और मिसकंसेप्शन है, पता है, मैं जितने भी बच्चों को ट्यूशन लेते हुए देखता हूँ, सब बोलते हैं कि बस आप सीबीएसई का पढ़ लोगे तो आपका CUET हो जाएगा. इज इट ट्रू और नॉट?
that is not at all true, I think, because CBSE is a practical based exam. NCRT is followed, but for some practical questions. But I think theory is the most important part in account CUET paper. I myself know that out of the 40 questions I attempted, 25 or more were theory questions. And in a
उसकी वजह से
practical
टाइम बच जाता है.
बहुत बच जाता है,
True.
because either you know it or you don't know
True,
it. There's
true,
not a
true.
thinking time
तो
that you
ये
need.
तो ये टीचर्स, मतलब जो ट्यूशन टीचर्स है उसके भरोसे ना रहो. CUET के लिए अलग से
totally,
प्रिपरेशन इज
totally.
इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स अबाउट इट. सो थैंक यू सो मच.